Congratulations! Sino nga ba yung i-congratulate ko? Si Shena. Shena, congratulations! Magpi-PR ka na. Passport request na yung pamilya mo. I remember that was like so many years ago. There was a challenging situation sa documents mo. And you were about to give up. And you were about to say like, I give up. I think I'm just gonna give up one of my child kasi nga because of the documentation. But you know what? God is good. Immigration waited for so many years to fix that document. And right now, passport request na buong pamilya mo. And I believe na, the only reason why we were so patient of doing that is that when I see your daughter and husband's pictures, nakikinikinita ko yung kanilang future dito sa loob ng Canada. And we did not give up. So again, this is a milestone. Get out there and get a coffee on your own. I can't really be with you right now, but thank you for all the patience. Thank you for all the respect. Although medyo talagang napakadaming documentation, napakadaming reaching out the immigration extension. But at the end of the day, nagagamot yung ating sakripisyo at suffering. Suffering talaga ha. Tsaka challenges in terms of immigration complexity. Congratulations again. I really wish to see your family one day pag nandito na sila. So passport request na sila. So more or less, in less than a month, nandito na sila sa Canada. So dito na kayo magka-Christmas. God bless and take care. And nandito pa rin din naman ako. Whatever things that you needed, support, even reference, nandito lang ako. God bless.